friends, welcome back on my channel. Guys, I'm R.K. Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So friend, in this tutorial we are going to talk about that's occurred with me. I'm going to share with you that if you are facing any kind of issue, so you can resolve. I'm a Unity developer. I have just used parse my data from JSON to Sharp classes. So basically I use this website and I put JSON and then it give me this data. I was using this data and I was using Unity utility classes as well as I was working with the JSON Newton soft. So it was working in Unity, but what was happening that when I was running in Oculus, so in starting few months it was working fine, but after some time it was not getting parsed in Oculus. So that was creating problem. So what was the solution? I'm going to share with you in this video. If you are new on the channel, make sure subscribe the channel, like the video. If you want to ask anything, so just drop in the comment box. So let me show you. Here is my one code. Here is my one code that was getting parsed. Here you can see I am just getting this JSON. Firstly I was using this commented, that was the Newton soft, like JSON convert.deserialize user login, and then I was passing this downloaded, and this was the model class. So it was getting parsed. So what I was thinking that maybe it was deprecated because Newton soft is deprecated. I decided to use JSON utility class. It was not getting parsed. Why? Because I was using this kind of class. So how I resolve this task? I was able to resolve this issue by removing get and set. So here you can see there is no any get and set. Here is the serializable. I've just use this properties. Talk about this JSON. So what you have to do is just you have to remove get and set, and then you have to use semicolon. Same with all your properties or your variables. So this was the way I resolved my task. So you can follow this. So here you can see I have removed the get and set. Here you can see I have written the code to parse JSON. So this was, and hope you understand, hope you are able to resolve your issue. So if you are facing any kind of, if you are able to resolve the issue by following the video, just let me know in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.